guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make this amazing banana pudding. These are my ingredients that I use to make my banana pudding. So with that being said, with no further ado, let's jump right into this goodness. And you want to lay a layer of cookies down in the bottom of the pan. You take your bananas and you're just gonna cut them. You want to use ripe but firm bananas because, you know, over time as your banana pudding sits in the refrigerator, you know, they're gonna get softened. So you want to use ripe but firm. With the bananas, you want to take them and you want to layer them right on top of the cookies. So what you want to do now is take your sweetened condensed milk and you want to put it in a blender. It makes it better. If you have a hand blender, that'll work as well. And you want to get your cream cheese. So you need one, 8-ounce cream cheese softened. So you want it room temperature. There you go. And you want to use a blender, a mixer, and you want to mix this together until it is smooth. Smooth. Our condensed milk and cream cheese is smooth. Like, you don't want no lumps in it at all. So you might have to like blend it for like several minutes to get that consistency. Next, you want to add your jello cream. Your banana cream. And please make sure you use, it says right here, get it to focus, instant. Make sure you have instant. And this is the 5.1 ounces. So you want to pour that in there. Oh, this is just going to intensify the flavor, honey. If you cannot find the banana cream one, you can use French vanilla. That one is just as good. I had that one before as well. And you want 2 cups of milk. Look at that goodness. With that being said, you want to blend this very, very, very well. So after you blend it, you want to blend it for a few minutes, and then you want to like scrape the sides. Make sure you don't have any pudding on the sides of the bowl, at the bottom of the bowl. So you want to give it like a really good scraping. And after you give it a really good scraping, you're just gonna blend it for a minute or 2. We are now done blending that. That is very well mixed. Like I said, you want to make sure you don't have absolutely no lumps. Like smooth, like a baby's bottom. So I'm just going to transfer this into my clear bowl here. And you guys, when I tell you we at the end of this recipe, we are at the end. When I say quick, simple, easy, but guess what? Most of all, amazingly delicious. Alright, I'm gonna just slide my KitchenAid over out of the way. And we down to the last 2 ingredients. Simple. Okay. So now what you want to do is get your Cool Whip. You want to make sure this is thawed too. You don't want it frozen. So make sure your Cool Whip is thawed out. See how soft it is? I should have took it out a little bit earlier, but it's good like where it's at. And you want to fold the Cool Whip over in your pudding. You don't want to mix this, you don't want to blend this, you just want to fold this over. Blending the Cool Whip will over mix it, and you don't want that. So just put it in there, fold, 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 That's it. You don't have to fold it until you see all of the white dome. You just want to fold it enough to get it mixed in really good. Got a lumpy piece right here. All right. It should look something like that. Absolutely amazing. Get this out of you guys' way, because we're about to lay this baby. Now, need a little room. Okay, so back to the cookies and the bananas. I'm gonna try to do this without making a mess, because this is really heavy. You want to layer this on top of this, something like this, because we ready to have a good mess. And you want to take your cookies and you want to layer them. Let's go this way, since we went this way earlier. That's it. It's done. It's complete. Our banana pudding is finished. So now you want to wrap it in clear wrap. You want to set in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I would do overnight, but the least I would do is 4 hours before cutting it, because it has to sit. Doesn't it look amazing? It looks absolutely amazing. Our banana pudding has refrigerated for 8.5 hours. So we're about to cut this baby open. The wait is over. Drum roll, please. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. I only wanted like to cut it like two cookies deep, but because I'm not gonna be able to do that, I don't want to mess it up because it's so pretty. Let's see, can I get another spatula? Let's see here, let's see. I can't get it up. I don't want it to mess it up. There we go. All of that goodness. So mine sat for 8.5 hours, and it's pretty firm, which I recommend for the least. But look at that. Let's move this out the way. So we got cookies, which I don't want to tip it over, but here we go. So we got cookies at the bottom, our bananas, our pudding, filling, whatever you want to call it, and our cookies on top. Yes, which the longer it sits, the better it get, the stiffer it gets, but the better it tastes. So let's taste this baby. People always tell me that I don't eat or taste the food on camera, so here we go. It's just so pretty. Amazing. Just as I expected. It's good, you guys. Like, I love it. Like, the banana pudding, instant pudding, gives it a more banana-y, if that's not a word, but more of a banana taste, and it tastes more like bananas, but you got that sweetness from the cookies, and then every now and again you'll get like a banana in there. This right here is where that pure heaven. So with that being said, I'm about to go get on my couch and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna enjoy this banana pudding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making this banana pudding. Until the next time, until the next video. Oh goodness. Thanks for watching. Bye.